In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Xbox account on PC for Fortnite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using the same Fortnite account across PC and Xbox is extremely simple. All that you have to do is go into the Apps and Accounts section of your Fortnite or Epic Games account. In there, you can manage all of the connections established with the account, including the option to connect or disconnect an Xbox account. So go over to epicgames.com, and when you arrive at this website through a web browser, you will be able to sign into the Epic Games account that you would like to manage. Alternatively, you also have the option to sign in using Xbox, but the bottom line is that you must have an Epic Games account where you can sign into and manage the connections. As long as you use an email and password or you sign in using Xbox, you will be able to access your icon at the top right corner of this page and then click Account from the drop-down menu that appears. When you go over to Account, using the menu at the left side of the account management page, select Apps and Accounts. So in this page, like I said, go over to Apps and Accounts and then switch over to the Accounts tab if necessary. Inside of Accounts is where you can check and make sure that all the platforms are connected to the same Epic Games account. So if you already played Fortnite on an Xbox, the connection is already established most likely, so just check to see if it is here, and if it is, you can close down this page and use the same Epic Games account on PC. All of your progress, including skins, battle pass, and other aspects of your Fortnite account will transfer over without any issues. Alternatively, if you still need to link an Xbox account, just click the option to connect underneath it. You will notice that I already have an account and I'm not going to remove it for this video, so unfortunately I cannot demonstrate this full process, but all you have to do is click connect. You will be redirected to the Xbox or Microsoft website where you have to approve the connection, and afterwards all of your progress will transfer over. That way you can use the same Epic Games or Fortnite account across all platforms, including PC and Xbox. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your Xbox account on PC for Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.